Hello, this is Back to School Around the World. And this is your host, Ryan Tonner. And the next thing, she has feet. She is great at modeling. And her name is Erin, but her YouTube account name is Cream Donut 99, but she really doesn't have one. Let's give a round of applause for her. That was the end of part 1. You'll see the next one at Around the World Back to School part 2. See you next time.